You all know I'm a big fan of The Economist, and I also know a few people behind the magazine, like our friend Ken Kuke, who came on this CarCast to talk to us about the human brain's advantage over AI. A link's going to pop up here in case you missed that episode. And also, if you missed the CarCast where I talked about The Economist predictions for this year, you should seriously consider subscribing to this channel because you won't be disappointed. Now, I have to tell you, over the last few months, The Economist has been on point doing some stellar reporting on the AI industry. They've talked about new tech, considerations for data leaders like you to think about, and they've also attempted to guide us through what's hot and what's not in this space. So this week, I thought I'd invite a few AI characters to tell us about these amazing articles in a little episode that I call the AI CarCast. Let's check it out and let me know what you think.
Over the last couple of years, AI companies have generated a staggering $8 trillion in value. Companies across all layers of the stack are capturing a share of overall value, but it seems that hardware manufacturers are the ones who have seen the most substantial gains. The question for all of us is which businesses are real winners in the AI boom, and which should you pay attention to? NVIDIA accounts for over 50% of the increase in market capitalization of hardware firms, and the company makes more than 80% of all AI chips, according to IDC. This is a massive market. Some forecasts see revenues from the sale of AI chips go from $45 billion in 2023 to $400 billion by 2027. Applications are also an important market to pay attention to. The website There's an AI for that counts over 12,000 applications, up from just 1,024 months ago.
My thought, however, is that while everybody's talking about AI, we might be forgetting the most essential foundation for the entire AI industry, the data, and more specifically, data and AI governance. So, ask yourself and ask your team, do our plans include robust data protection? What are we doing about ethics and transparency? In my mind, the strength of your data foundation is what will make or break your AI strategy execution.
By now, you must have heard about the complexity behind training your large language model. There are issues around size, accuracy, and resource utilization. You've heard about techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback. 8 out of 10 top-ranked large language models utilize a new technique called direct preference optimization. DPO is a new technique that leverages a mathematical observation to allow models to learn directly from data, making the process 3 to 6 times more efficient than reinforcement learning from human feedback. Dr. Rafaelov and his colleagues Arkit Sharma and Eric Mitchell first presented direct preference optimization in December 2023. The approach capitalizes on a unique mathematical insight. Each language learning model corresponds to an implicit reward model, and vice versa. By exploiting this relationship, they enable models to learn directly from data, bypassing the traditional route through the reward model. This innovation marks a fundamental shift in AI learning dynamics. We hope that you enjoyed this quick summaries and that you found our group at least as entertaining as Bruno. If you do, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share the CarCast. And who knows, we may see you next week.